How did you hear about American Paving Design?
Well, we received a mailer, and then when we called the company, my wife spoke to Nicole, and she sold us on it because she was really good at what she does.
As you looked at replacing your concrete driveway, what made you decide to choose Brook Pavers?
Well, aside from the fact that we just wanted the home to look a little different, we had heard from Nicole that she had promised that she would do a super job, and she came through with her promise.
How did you choose the color?
The color was selected by my wife, who does most of the color selections here, and I approved it, of course. And it made me very happy simply because she is very happy.
It looks great, by the way. Did you find the installation process with American Paving Design simple and easy?
Well, the gentleman who came here to take away my concrete was very, very nice. They made sure that everything was done properly and that there was no mess left. They really did a good job. The workers were nice. They were hard-working guys. My wife gave them water as they needed it, and they really did a nice job for us.
Would you recommend American Paving Design to your neighbors?
Not only would I recommend, but I already have recommended it to 3 of my friends, and they said they would think about it.
And last question, how do you feel when you drive up now?
Well, the house looks so different from all the homes in the neighborhood, and that's not an easy thing to do in Sun City, but we're very pleased because it looks so nice.